the women here have a dream where they want to see women in the manufacturing workforce with them.
How do we get them to understand that it's not just machines and it's not just engineering? There are other ways to get into manufacturing that can come from all angles.
Manufacturing in particular sees a deficit in the women that are participating, everything from entry level to the C-suite. And women are a necessary voice in any industry.
There is a disparity, a huge disparity, not just women, but African American women.
We know that if we close that gap and provide women with opportunities in manufacturing, we're going to get to full employment in the manufacturing sector.
Because we're different, we could have some great value.
I am a founder and CEO of My Local Chefs. I thought it would be a really good way for me to understand how I can create work development programs in a food space.
Actually, it's my own company. It's called Melanin Microchips. I'm an entrepreneur at heart.
I work for J Joiners. It's a custom manufacturing operation. I'm the founder and the president.
I think it's wonderful to have more diversity in the workplace. It's great having that detailed-oriented lady and the more free-flowing guy and come up with ideas together, because the real answer is in between.
I want to give back. I want to help other women, other young women, learn about the opportunities in manufacturing.
Developing new ways of bringing people in and raise awareness, and then making it actually appealing to women.
I draw a lot of energy and inspiration from being in the room with these women. So just knowing that other people are working hard and looking at these issues, it gives me inspiration to forge on in my day-to-day.
We just feel like this is attainable. Why not?